Hello sir, my name is Sanjay T. Registration number 20BC0090. Topic Cloud computing in e-commerce. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resource, especially data storage and computer power, without direct active management by the user. Large clouds often have functions distributed over multiple locations, each location being a data center. Cloud computing relies on the sharing of resources to achieve the coherent economics of scale, typically using a pay-as-you-go. History of cloud computing. The cloud symbol was used to represent a network of computing equipment in the original ASP.NET by as early 1977 and the CSNet by 1981, both predecessor to the Internet itself. The word cloud was used as metaphor from the Internet of how the endpoints of a network are co-connected are not relevant to understanding the diagram. The term cloud was used to refer to platform for distributed computing as early 1933. Types of clouds. Private clouds. Private clouds is a cloud infrastructure operated solely for a single organization, whether managed internally or by a third party and hosted either internally or externally. Undertaking a private cloud project requires significant enhancement to visualize the business environment and requires the organization to reevaluate decisions about existing resources. It can improve business, but every step in the project raises security issues that must be addressed to prevent serious vulnerabilities. Self-run are generally capital intensive. They are a significant physical footprints requiring allocations of space, hardware, and environment controls. These assets have to be refreshed periodically, resulting in additional capital expenditures. Public cloud. Cloud services are considered public when they are delivered over the public internet, and they may be offered as a paid subscription or free of charge. Architecturally, there are few differences between public and private cloud services, but security concerns increases substantially when service applications, storage, and other resources are shared by multiple customers. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a composition of a public cloud and a private environment, such as private cloud or on-premises resource that remains distinct entities but are bound together, offering the benefits of multiple deployment models. Hybrid clouds can also mean the ability to connect, collection, manage, and or dedicate service with cloud resources. Gartner defines a hybrid cloud service as a cloud computing service that is composed of some combination of private, public, and community cloud services from different service providers. A hybrid cloud service crosses isolation and provider boundaries so that it can be simply but it in one category of private, public, or community cloud services. It allows us one to extend either the capacity or the capability of a cloud service by aggregation, integrity, or customization with another cloud service. Varied use for hybrid cloud composition exists. For example, an organization may store sensitive client data in-house on a private cloud application, but interconnect the application to business intelligence application provided on a public cloud as a software service. Then cloud community cloud. Community cloud shares infrastructures between several organizations from a specific community with a common concern, security, compliance, judicium, etc. Whether the managed internally or by a third party, the and either hosted internally and externally, costs are spread over fewer users than a public cloud. So only some of the cost savings potential of cloud computing are realized. Distributed cloud. A cloud computing platform can be assembled from a distributed set of machines in different locations, connected to a single network or hub service. It is possible to distinguish between two types of distributed clouds: public resource computing and volunteer cloud. Public resource computing. The type of distributed cloud results from an expensive definition of cloud computing because they are more akin to distributed computing than cloud computing. Because they are more akin to distributed computing than cloud computing, nevertheless, it is considered a subclass of cloud computing. Volunteer cloud. Volunteer cloud computer is also characterized as the intersection of public resources computing and cloud computing, where cloud computing infrastructure is built using volunteer resources. Many challenges arise from this type of infrastructures because of their volunteers can also be called peer-to-peer clouds. In such direction, it aims to implement a cloud computing infrastructure using volunteer resources, providing a business model to incentive contribution through financial restriction. Advantage: backup and restore data, improved collaboration. Once the data is stored in the cloud, it's easy to get back and restore that in the cloud. Cloud applications improves collaboration by applying groups of people to quickly and easily share information in the cloud via shared storage. Excellent accessibility. Cloud allows us to quickly and easily access store information anywhere at any time in the whole world using an internet connection. An internet cloud infrastructure increases organization productivity and efficiency by ensuring that our data is always accessible. Low maintenance cost. Cloud computing reduces both hardware and software maintenance cost for organization. Mobility. Cloud computing allows us to easily access all data via mobile. Higher service in the pay-per-use model. Cloud computing offers application programming interface to the user for access service on the cloud and pays the charge as per the usage service. Unlimited storage capacity. Cloud offers us a huge amount of storage capacity for storing our important data via mobile. High services in the pay user model. Cloud computing offers application programming interfaces, APIs to user for access service on the cloud and pay the charges as per the usage of service. Unlimited storage capacity. Cloud offers us a huge amount of storing capacity for storing our important data such as documents, images, audios, videos, etc. in one place. Data security. Data security is one of the biggest advantages of cloud computing. Cloud offers many advanced features related to security and ensures the data in secure manner. Disadvantages: internet connectivity. As you know, in cloud computing, every data is stored on the cloud, and we can access this data through the cloud by using internet connection. If you do not have a good internet connection connectivity, you cannot access this data. However, we can have no any other way to access data from the cloud. Vendor lock-in. Vendor lock-in is the biggest advantage of cloud computing. Organization may face problems in transferring their services from one vendor to another. As different vendors provide different platforms, they can cause difficulty moving from one cloud to another. Limited control. As we know, cloud infrastructure is completely owned, managed and monitored by the service provider, so the cloud user have less control over the function, and the function may be defined by the cloud computing. Limited control. As you know, cloud infrastructure is completely owned, managed and monitored by the service provider, so the cloud user have less control over the function and execution of services within a cloud infrastructure. Security. Although the cloud service provider implement the best security standards to store important information, but before adopting cloud technology, you should be aware that you will be sending all your organization's security information to a third party. Cloud computing service provider, while sending the data on the cloud, there may be a chance that your organization information will be hacked by hackers. Thank you, sir. That's it.